Hello everyone and welcome to the Excel Hub. Today I will show you how to quickly retrieve employees' details using just their ID. In this sheet here we have a range of fictitious employee information including their ID, first name, surname, etc. Since we have a large amount of data, we want to be able to quickly retrieve a given employee's details based on their ID, as shown in this sheet here. To do this, we will use the VLOOKUP function. So we type equals VLOOKUP, we're looking for the ID within the data provided in the other sheets, and we're looking to retrieve the value in the second column, which corresponds to the first name. Finally, we click false, as it is an exact match. In other words, the ID 1026 is exactly provided in the data. Excel has retrieved the first name Jack, which indeed corresponds to an ID of 1026, as shown here. Next, let's retrieve the remaining information. To do this, we could repeat the process of inputting the VLOOKUP function and simply increase the column number each time. A quicker way, however, is to substitute the column number for the column function. In other words, column B5 will make VLOOKUP retrieve the value in the second column, as this cell here is in column B. This ensures that the column number updates when we bring this formula across. Let's also add absolute references or $signs here and here to ensure that when we drag this formula across, these cell addresses do not change. We can then toggle this formula across to retrieve the remaining information. Now that we have all the information, let's test whether it is correct. As you can see, the information Excel has retrieved for an ID of 1026 corresponds to the data provided in the employee detail sheet. Let's now test a different ID. The data retrieved once again matches the data provided. So that's how you can quickly retrieve employee information using the VLOOKUP function. This is especially useful if you have a large amount of data and want to automatically retrieve information without having to do so manually. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe to the Excel Hub for weekly Excel tutorials, techniques and examples.